just finished the workout of the day. The warm-up today is 2 rounds, Turkish Get-up, 10 band pull-aparts. You're pulling it to your chest by activating your shoulder blades, pulling them together. That's activating the whole movement. So instead of me feeling like I'm pulling the band apart, I'm really feeling like I'm pulling my shoulder blades together. 5 goblet squats and 5 dead stop swings. Circuit 1, 3 rounds, weighted Bulgarian split squats, 10 reps, and 10 skull crushers using a kettlebell. Then we're gonna do a 10-minute EMOM. You have a choice here. You're gonna do 8 swings on your right, 8 swings on your left, or 8 high pulls, which I've never made a tutorial of, or 5 snatches. I've never made a tutorial of that either. So only if you have experience with high pulls and snatches should you do those exercises. Otherwise, please feel free to do a one-armed swing, but only if your two-handed swing is proficient. After that, we get to lay on the floor for a little bit. We're gonna do 1 glute bomb with a hip circle, which is the 10 glute bridges, then 10 pulses at the top, 9 glute bridges, 9 pulses, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And by the end of it, your butt is on fire. Then we're gonna do another EMOM. It's thrusters, which is a squat with a press, coming right out of the squat. I did 4 mostly. And then I had about 20 seconds, 20 to 23 seconds left at the bottom of each minute to rest before going again. The 5th circuit is 2 rounds, 2 exercises, plank drags, 10 per side, so 20 total plank drags, which is great for your core, and 8 half kneeling halos with an upside down kettlebell. And today, that was a beautiful thing because usually we do halos with a light bell. We use sets of 5, and it feels much more like a mobility exercise. But today, because it was 8 reps and because I guess we waited till the end, it felt like a shoulder exercise, like a bodybuilding move. Like I felt my delts and my traps and my rhomboids and my triceps, all my upper body anatomy. I felt it. It was beautiful. Best round in 10 seconds. All right. Eye of the tiger. 5, 4, 3. You can see that I am, we can call it glowing, schwitzing, whatever. If you're digging my content and you are coming and working out with me, which I really, really hope, please like, please share, please subscribe. I welcome comments. My comments are very few. My channel is very tiny right now. Hola, OMG, and great content. Keep up the good work. So I'm reading them. I'm responding. Oh, somebody sent me just a buttload of emojis. Nice emojis. Not poo-poo emojis, but heart emojis and smiles and kittens. That was awesome. We just found out that the quarantine is going on through April 30th. I am not going to hold my breath that it will be over then. So we're going to stay safer than ever, stronger than ever, and homer than ever. So stay safe, stay strong, stay home.